Hey guys, I bet you weren't expecting to hear me. I figured I'd give this voiceover thing a try. We last left you in Joshua Tree, had a quick shower, did some laundry. We're finally here in Los Angeles. By the way, if I suck, let me know, then I'll just get back to continue with voiceovers.
Good afternoon, everybody, and happy sunny day. We are in LA. We woke up on the streets of Silver Lake area, had a really productive morning, and now we've decided let's hit that LA traffic and go to Santa Monica.
Santa Monica, thanks for having us.
Step 1 was driving in LA. Step 2 is certainly parking in LA. We've done a few laps. It's no big deal. My buddy's crushing it.
No big deal.
No big deal. We're gonna find parking. Wow, look, the water's right there. Frig LA. One day in and I'm getting it. Look. This is winter. What are you doing wearing that jacket, might I ask?
I'm cold.
The Canadian is cold in LA.
Game plan consists of us, me, and Beck exploring LA. So we've got that Lime account, if you remember from the vlog in Seattle. So we're gonna check if I got some dollars on my account and get some scooters.
In case you're not familiar with what a Lime scooter is, essentially you pick up the scooter from wherever you found it on the side of the street. You use an app to basically pick up the scooter electronically, and then you can drop it wherever you want within the city, which is so cool. I'm sure you pay a little bit of a premium to have that like flexibility, but it's way better than hopping in an Uber on a day like today. And we're just checking, like Eamon said. Oh, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
You're mostly just excited to get on anything electronic, huh?
We realized that Beck doesn't have her phone and you can only rent one. Lime, if you're watching my vlog here, you should be able to rent multiple scooters on one account. That's stupid that you can't. Whoop.
Alright, Lime baby.
So I know there's a little bit of controversy with these things. Some people hate them, some people love them. Overall, I think it does improve the city. Congestion alone, it's environmentally friendly, helps people get around the city. I mean, it does look a little junky.
I thought it just kind of started going.
No.
No, I got it. You have to push on
Look,
it.
he's got it.
Alright, the limes cost us $1 each, but we're gonna ditch them here and start exploring Santa Monica by foot. Let's go. Cafe Gratitude, which comes highly recommended from a lot of you. And what I'm most excited about is a little bit of vegan ice cream after. I think people are laughing at us vlogging in public. Do you think so?
Welcome to LA, baby.
And of course, this guy's not gonna let me go by foot, so we're gonna hop on a couple limes.
Cafe Gratitude is right up Becca's alley, and I'm gonna let her explain why.
The way you order here is you say I am and then the name of whatever it is you're ordering. So I am connected, I am whole. I almost had some tears in my eyes.
Becca already ordered, but I am not sure. Okay, Doug, I need you to bear with me for a second here, buddy. This is my first time.
Absolutely.
All right. I am gifted.
You are, absolutely.
I am eclectic, I am jubilant,
Perfect.
and genuine in development.
Excellent choice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Naming ourselves from last night are these freaking fine looking buffalo cauliflower.
Yeah, they're actually breaded.
Those look so good. I can't remember which is which.
I think that's called I'm eclectic, which I am. We are meeting the most lovely servers here, i.e. Doug, and we're giving them all our money. It's like, what was our buddy's name last night?
He actually never even introduced us. I have no idea.
Anyway, we left him all our money too. We had a lovely experience at Cafe Gratitude. I'd highly recommend it.
So great.
Highly. It was muy caro.
But really good
super
people,
good,
really
super good service, great vibes, great energy.
I don't want to leave LA, buddy.
We met this dude, Jason. Jason, if you're watching, hi. He's like a vegan chef, and he works for an NBA player. He's like a personal chef. Great dude. So,
I'm just feeling grateful.
yeah, we gotta go pay for parking.
We picked up our plant-based ice cream from Salt and Straw. They have 6 locations here in LA. I'm trying the lemon cheesecake. It's like tart and refreshing, but also really creamy. And Eamon's having the toasted coconut and cookie. And the thing I'm like so stoked on is they have a big sign that says this is part of our initiative for 2019 to have 20% of our menu being plant-based.
And they're doing a great job at that.
Freaking so good.
Buddy of mine, old buddy of mine, if you ever see him, ask him about the Crocs. That's a good story. Sam, he lives in LA. He said he works at a pretty cool spot. Whoa, what's going on with this light? Oh, this camera is really not good at adjusting light.
I know.
Why don't you come by and get some work done here? Because we're gonna go to a cafe, so we're gonna go to his office and get some work done. You ready to roll?
Yeah, I'd like to throw in our garbage.
Is it smelling?
Don't be rude, yes it is.
What's up, dude?
It's my buddy Sam. He's a legend. I already told him about the Croc story.
Did you?
No,
You didn't tell us
no, I
that
didn't.
story. Maybe Sam will tell you over dinner.
Yeah, maybe
Stay
over dinner.
tuned.
All right, we're gonna go tour Sam's office, so we'll check in with you guys in a bit. We're not gonna show them Sam's office, right?
I don't think so.
Okay, look at this cereal collection. Wow. We had an unbelievable time touring Sam's pretty swanky office. Very Google vibes. Woo!
As everyone knows, you brought 3 skateboards in the van on this trip to Baja when I can't even bring like 2 bathing suits. And that's because in case friends want to play. So Eamon and
Guess what, guys? I found a friend. So we're gonna go skate. We're actually at his crib.
Let's do it.
And Sam was showing me this new board.
Carver board.
Yeah, what's the deal?
It's a surf skate.
Who's that? Roommate's here. What's up, buddy? Would you order a TV?
Boxes.
Guys, this is Rishi. Say what up to the vlog.
Who's that?
It's the vlog.
Oh, fuck. Alright. Hey guys.
Eamon, you're just holding a camera to your face. So this is the Carver board. Apparently you don't push. I'm sure a lot of you don't care about this, but I'm just showing for the 3 people that do.
Nice. Fun. You can spin on a dime too, eh? We're gonna go down the street, get some food. Let's do it.
How was the food, Sam, right?
Great as always. Even better with these guys here.
Sam was bugging me, he wanted me to mention that he's a rock star and he's got some music out.
Oh my god.
He's been bugging me all night. Where do they find you, Sam? I'll link it, it's gonna pop up right here.
I'm on
but Sam
Spotify,
Wright on
Sam
Spotify. If you guys like rock and roll, check it out.
also these guys are gonna join us in Baja. Let us know if you guys want to see them come to Baja, and if how many comments do you have to get asking you both to come to Baja to count?
We'll be there.
Oh,
I'll be there.
that's not what I was looking for.
Thank you so much, guys. This is where we went. Chokaya. Very good food.
We're finishing the day like we started, on our lime.
Riding Lime scooters while vlogging is very difficult. Actually, riding a scooter one-handed in general is difficult. But we've got the squad rolling, and it's actually pretty cold here in LA. So I'm gonna put this down before I fall. Goodbye. Amazing day.
Goodness, only been in LA. I look like a literal 12-year-old, by the way. Only been in LA for like 24 hours, but already really, really enjoying the city. And I feel like you and I are a little bit unique in the fact that we enjoy cities. Like, we're definitely van lifer hippies who love to be outdoors and in nature, but gosh, I love going to a great vegan cafe, and I just love the city like energy sometimes.
I knew I would love LA, but I didn't think I would fit in this well. And I think there's different sides of LA. Like,
And
we were
different
very
neighborhoods.
Santa Monica, Venice, kind of like
Wait,
artsy.
Silver Lake. We were way
Silver
more
Lake.
Silver Lake.
Yeah, but I feel like that whole, I don't know LA at all. I've been here one day.
So true.
Anyways, I feel like it was a very good vibe. I really liked the energy people had.
And also, not to like report preemptively, but it's been really okay to park. Like, if you're smart and you're stealth and you're quiet and respectful, we had no problems parking on residential streets. And so,
is LA possible with the van life?
and is it enjoyable? I think yes, but you'll have to keep watching to see how it unfolds.
Nice. Way to leave them hanging.
Little hanger.
All right.
What am I doing there?
I'm going
That's
to
a
bed.
carrot. Okay.
Good night, friends.
Good night, everybody. We love you guys.
It's kind of a weird feeling, but we are abandoning the van